everyone, this is Wen Guo from Wen Guo Real Estate Group. Today we're showcasing 508 Peninsula Avenue, Unit 1 in the beautiful Burlingame. This is a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-level townhome from a 13-year new building. Come over and get welcomed by the open space of living, kitchen, dining with tons of natural light. Don't miss the cute half bath and the large balcony in the main level. And upstairs features a master ensuite bedroom, a spacious guest bedroom, and an updated guest bath. In-unit washer and dryer, 2-car parking spot plus gas parking. One of the staircase here could potentially be converted into one more room. Walkable to grocery stores, restaurants, Caltrain, schools, parks. Easy commute to San Francisco and Silicon Valley. Don't miss it. Come take a look. 您好，欢迎和我一起参观 Burlingame 的508 Peninsula Avenue 1号单元，2房2.5卫双层联排小洋楼，客厅、餐厅、厨房阳光充沛，自带观景阳台，双向通透。楼上主卧、客厅都非常宽敞，还帶雙車位，隨時可以拎包入住。裝修精緻，生活便利，仲係靚學校添，一齊睇下啦！Thank you for viewing the video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. 如果有任何問題，隨時跟我們聯繫，我哋喺度隨時等緊你㗎。